Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing King George from Poppers. So let's get started. To draw this very cute beaver, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now these two circles in, I'm going to come inside towards this edge more and draw another circle. And then right about here, I'm going to put in another circle for highlight and shade everything else in. So we're going to do the same thing, but towards this edge more now, and draw another circle. There. And so then from there, I'm going to come to the top and thicken up this top curve just to anchor my eyes a little bit more. And same thing here, just the top. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So right in between, at the same level as the eyes, right about here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right about there. And then we're going to just round off the sides and connect it in the center. About there. And then we're going to come to the top right here and just draw a curve, hitting the eyes, and then we're about here, past the eye a little bit, and then go around. And I'm going to come right about here, draw a straight line coming down to about that much, so that I can bring this all back and connect. There. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Just hit the bottom of the eye and then bring this out and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the teeth. So we're going to come straight down a little bit and say about that much, and then come right about here and put a curve in and another one right about here to draw the teeth. Then before I forget, I'm just going to come here really quickly and just put in some whiskers, and just 3 of them, and here. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the brow. So let's come up and say about right here. I'm just going to slant an angle line down over the eye and then thicken it up. And so same thing on the other side, about right here, angle down and thicken it up. There. And then I'm just going to lightly right here just draw a curve to create this little bridge for where the nose is. Bring this out a little bit more. Okay, there. And so now that we have that, let's see, let's come down right about here, come down a little bit and say about here. I'm going to lightly draw in 2 curves for some details, kind of like the chin area for our King George here. And then now to put it all together, so let's come back to the center and say about right here. Not too high, just a little bit above. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw this curve coming down over the brow and really close to it. So you could have started here too if you wanted and go up. It's all up to you. And so same thing here. We create that curve, and then we're going to bring this out. So go out wider so that we can draw some cheeks. About there, and then kind of like past this area right about here, we're going to start to kind of just curve it in and curve it in. And then of course we need to put in some ears. So right about here, just tuck in these small little beaver ears. Same thing on the other side. Right about there. And of course we have to draw the crown. So let's come to the center. I'm going to find my center, go up about this much. And I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines. And then angle out and in. Same thing here. There. Now we have our King George. So now that we have this curve right about here, and it's about the same level almost, bring it down a little bit more. About the same level, we're going to go ahead and draw the hands. So I'm going to come right about here, curve and bring it in past this chin area, and then I'm going to thicken it up. So about right here. Create that shape, and then in this area we're going to draw the hand. So let's start. We're going to go up for a thumb, then we're going to come out for these little fingers, 1, 2, and then the little pinky that comes out and in. And then we're going to just go ahead and zigzag our way across, and let's say about right here you can add a little curve. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across to them approximately. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve just like the other side going up. Then we're going to thicken it up. Just like the other side. And so once again, let's draw these cute little fingers. Thumb. And one more that comes out and in. And then zigzag. And then a little line curve right here. There. Aww. And then of course, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's just continue this down to about right here. I'm really hoping this movie is good. It better be. So we're going to come down. And so same thing here. Draw a cute body. So let's bring this in. About right there, not too tall. And connect at the bottom with a soft curve. All the way. And then for some feet, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to simplify with a curve. Round off this tip and bring it in. Then just come in here and put in 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. Put right here. Curve down. And connect. There. And of course we need a tail. So let's say about right here, put in this brown beaver tail. And just tuck it in. And maybe if you want some details right here, I'm going to lightly, so that we can kind of put in some different colors right here for the fur. And same thing here. There. And last but not least, let's put a heart right here to make this my just so cute King George from Pixar's Hoppers. I really hope you love this drawing and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.